Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna macaroni salad Southern style. First, gather your ingredients. You will need cooked elbow macaroni, canned tuna, mayonnaise, and a selection of fresh vegetables. This classic dish is known for its rich, creamy texture and delightful balance of savory and sweet flavors. It is a staple at potlucks and family meals, offering a comforting and satisfying experience with every bite. For the foundation, cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions, ensuring it is al dente. Rinse it with cold water to stop cooking and prevent sticking. Next, drain 2 5-ounce cans of quality tuna, flaking it gently. Prepare your fresh vegetables by finely dicing about 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These elements provide essential texture and a fresh counterpoint to the creamy dressing. The heart of this Southern-style salad is its creamy, tangy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of classic yellow mustard. Stir in 1/4 cup of sweet pickle relish, which is crucial for that signature Southern sweetness. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your preference. This blend creates a perfectly balanced and flavorful base. Now combine the cooked macaroni, flaked tuna, diced celery, and red onion with the prepared dressing. Gently fold everything together until all ingredients are thoroughly coated. It is important not to overmix. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the tuna macaroni salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling period is essential, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully and the salad to achieve its optimal, refreshing taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.